Did you know that just 8 specific meals could greatly enhance the health of 40 million people suffering from renal disease? Consider the implications of such a simple alteration. Recent findings from the National Kidney Foundation shed light on this groundbreaking possibility, revealing that certain foods have the extraordinary potential to not only protect your kidneys, but also improve their function, potentially increasing your glomerular filtration rate, GFR, by as much as 40%. This isn't about incremental gains. These are dramatic health benefits that can change the way you live with chronic renal disease. The foods we're about to discuss are scientifically proven to lower creatinine levels, making them essential for anyone trying to improve their kidney health. By the end of this video, you will have gained knowledge that has the potential to significantly enhance your or someone you care about life. So, if you're ready to take a step toward a better future, stay tuned. Let's go on this journey together and learn the benefits of these 8 wonderful kidney-protecting meals. Do not miss out on this life-changing information. Stay until the end and prepare to be amazed. Number 1. Lemons. Lemons, with their vivid yellow hue, are not only a delicious taste enhancer for your meals or drinks, but they also provide a hidden benefit for kidney health. Lemons are unquestionably beneficial for lowering creatinine levels and increasing renal function. Why is this happening? For starters, lemons are high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that protects the kidneys from oxidative damage and aids the body's detoxification processes. Furthermore, lemons contain citrate, a natural chemical that has been shown to help prevent kidney stones. Renal stones not only cause pain, but they also increase the chance of renal function decrease. As a result, drinking a glass of lemon water every day not only refreshes your taste senses, but also helps to maintain your kidneys healthy. However, lemons also promote proper hydration. Adequate hydration is essential for maintaining normal kidney function, as the kidneys are responsible for filtering and eliminating waste from the body. Drinking lemon water stimulates a thirst response, which promotes water consumption and helps the kidneys function more efficiently. Green tea. Adding lemon juice to green tea can make it 5 times healthier. Green tea contains catechins, which are naturally occurring. Catechins are antioxidants that have been found to lower the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disease, and they are extremely effective at improving kidney function. However, they are difficult for the body to absorb. We absorb approximately 20% or less of the catechins in green tea. Lemon juice can help in this situation. Citrus liquids, especially lemon, have been shown to boost catechin absorption by more than 5 times. Incredible! A similar response can be reached with iron-rich meals such as beans, spinach, chards, and other leafy greens. Iron is one of the most important elements for persons with renal disease, and while some foods are high in it, you must also ensure that the valuable iron is not squandered. But how can you accomplish that? Add a source of vitamin C, such as lemon juice. There is one additional food that can be enhanced by the addition of lemon. I am talking about garlic. Garlic is one of the most remarkable superfoods on the planet, and it can help lower your blood pressure. However, garlic can be used with lemon juice for the purpose of lowering cholesterol. A meta-analysis found that garlic can lower total blood cholesterol by 17.6 millimolar glucose per deciliter and LDL cholesterol by 9.6 millimolar glucose per deciliter. However, studies had indicated that garlic must be ingested alongside another food in order to enhance cholesterol levels. Lemons are that food. Our second most underappreciated meal is actually a source of one of the world's healthiest types of carbohydrate. Number 2. Red potatoes. Potatoes, those delicious, tasty treats, have long been unfairly neglected, particularly by people concerned about their waistline. But here's a little secret. Potatoes are actually excellent for you. They contain the same amount of minerals and fiber as other vegetables, but they also include a unique type of carbohydrate that may be very beneficial for people suffering from renal problems. This supercarb is referred to as resistant starch. The power of resistant starch lies in its passage through our bodies. It isn't completely broken down and absorbed. Instead, it travels directly to the large intestine, where it becomes a feast for the beneficial bacteria that live there. A healthy gut is like a gold mine for our general health, and incorporating resistant starch into your diet is like finding gold. According to studies, Resistant starch can help improve insulin resistance, allowing for better blood sugar management. However, not all potatoes are made equal. Red potatoes have the most resistant starch and thus the lowest glycemic index, GI. These gluten-free, low GI carbs are ideal for a diabetic-friendly diet. Potatoes can be a healthy part of your diet in moderation if you manage chronic kidney disease, CKD, and do not need to limit your potassium intake. Interestingly, there's a simple way for increasing the resistant starch in potatoes and lowering their GI value. Simply boil your potatoes with the skins on, refrigerate overnight, and enjoy cold the next day. This simple action can make potatoes an even better choice for your health. Number 3. Bok Choy. Bok Choy, a type of cabbage, is not only lush and green, but also extremely nutritious, especially for individuals managing kidney stone disorders or trying to safeguard their kidney health. What makes bok choy a caped crusader of the vegetable world? The key lies in its high calcium concentration. It can be difficult to get enough calcium from a plant-based diet, but bok choy makes it simple. Calcium is needed not only for healthy bones, but it also helps to reduce the risk of kidney stone formation, which is a benefit that is often overlooked, but is really important. Calcium acts by binding to and eliminating oxalate from the intestines, which reduces the risk of stone formation. This is especially useful for people who frequently experience kidney stones or who have a limited water intake. But bok choy does not end there. It also contains a lot of nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a chemical that dilates blood vessels and increases blood flow to organs and tissues. This could lead to a modest drop in blood pressure due to increased circulation. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, popularly known as liquid gold, is not only a heart-healthy staple, it is also an effective ally in the fight against kidney problems, including the prevention and treatment of kidney stones. This unique oil is high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory characteristics, which not only improve cardiovascular health but also aid the kidneys. First, the high levels of beneficial fats in extra virgin olive oil can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. This reduction in inflammation can help reduce the chance of kidney stone formation by preventing minerals from clumping together in the kidneys. Furthermore, the beneficial fats in olive oil promote the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants from other foods, which is important for kidney health. For example, when coupled with foods high in vitamin D, such as shiitake mushrooms, or lycopene, such as tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil can considerably improve nutrient absorption. Vitamin D promotes kidney health by regulating kidney function, but lycopene has been linked to a lower incidence of some forms of kidney stones. Furthermore, the soothing preventive effects of extra virgin olive oil on the cardiovascular system can have an indirect benefit for the kidney. A healthy heart promotes efficient blood flow to the kidneys, which aids in their vital filtering function. By introducing a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into your daily diet, you can help your kidneys execute their detoxifying functions more efficiently, potentially reducing the strain on these critical organs and increasing overall renal health. Number 5. Kimchi. Kimchi, a sour and spicy fermented treat, is much more than simply a tasty complement to meals. It's also a powerhouse for kidney health. Kimchi stands out as a superior alternative due to its varied array of probiotics, particularly for individuals looking to reduce the risk of kidney stones, lower creatinine levels, and promote overall kidney health. Unlike dairy-based probiotic options such as yogurt, which can be heavy in animal proteins and phosphorus, elements that persons with renal issues should avoid, kimchi provides a kidney-friendly alternative that is free of these components. However, its sodium concentration must be considered to ensure that it fits into a well-balanced diet. So how does kimchi operate on the kidneys? Kimchi contains probiotics that are important for maintaining a healthy gut flora, which is closely linked to kidney health. A balanced gut can help minimize inflammation, which is believed to contribute to the creation of kidney stones, as well as aid in the more efficient clearance of waste products from the body, including excess creatinine. Kimchi indirectly helps the kidney's ability to filter and purify the blood by boosting gastrointestinal health, which aids in their recovery and proper function. So the next time you go grocery shopping, Why not add some kimchi to your cart and aid your kidneys in a delightful way? Number 6. Flaxseed. Flaxseed, a little but powerful seed, is quickly gaining a reputation as a kidney health superhero. Its nutritional profile is fantastic, with magnesium, selenium, vitamin B6, iron, and vitamin B1, making it a nutrient-dense ally in the fight against kidney disease. But it's the omega-3 fatty acids that truly distinguish flaxseed, providing potent anti-inflammatory properties that are critical for anyone looking to maintain or improve kidney function. Inflammation can be a major contributor to kidney damage, and flaxseed's ability to lower inflammation plays an important part in renal care. This anti-inflammatory activity may help avoid the production of kidney stones, a painful and common kidney problem. Furthermore, flaxseed's high omega-3 content protects the kidneys from additional injury by boosting overall renal function and perhaps increasing the glomerular filtration rate, GFR, a key indicator of kidney health. Flaxseed provides additional benefits to those dealing with diabetes, which is directly linked to kidney function. Flaxseed consumption has been demonstrated to reduce HbA1c levels, a measure of long-term blood sugar control. Flaxseed indirectly benefits kidney health by improving diabetes management, which is one of the primary causes of kidney failure. Including flaxseed in your diet is an easy and delicious method to assist your kidneys. This versatile seed, whether blended into a morning smoothie or used as flax meal in baking, has the potential to significantly improve your kidney health. Remember, moderation is crucial, as flaxseed contains phosphorus and protein. For patients with renal illness or at risk of developing kidney disease, a daily consumption of 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed is commonly recommended. Ground flaxseed is preferable over whole flaxseed because the body can digest and absorb the nutrients more easily. This dosage provides health benefits such as enhanced kidney function and lower inflammation without overloading your kidneys with phosphorus. Number 7. Tangerines. Tangerines, little vividly colored citrus fruits, are more than just a tasty treat. They're a secret weapon for people aiming to improve kidney health and lower creatinine levels. While all citrus fruits are known for their health benefits, such as their potential to improve heart health and lower cholesterol, tangerines stand out for a very specific reason, especially for people who are concerned about their kidney function or are diabetic. Tangerines contain a flavonoid called nobiletin, which is plentiful in their peel. Nobiletin is a powerful fighter against diabetes, which is directly linked to kidney health. High blood sugar levels can strain the kidneys, causing elevated creatinine levels and eventually chronic renal disease. Tangerines benefit kidney health by improving glycemic management and lowering insulin resistance. This is critical because properly controlling diabetes can decrease the course of kidney disease and assist maintain overall renal function. To maximize the benefits of tangerines for kidney health, try including the fruit, including its peel, into your regular diet. One unique approach is to combine 2 tangerines, peel and all, into a smoothie. This strategy guarantees that you obtain the most nobiletin from the fruit, as well as other essential vitamins and fiber, which can help with creatinine management by supporting general health and well-being. Number 8. Quinoa. Quinoa, a versatile and nutrient-dense grain, has emerged as a promising addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Quinoa is high in protein, fiber, and key vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, iron, and potassium, which provides several health advantages, including renal support. One of quinoa's distinguishing traits is its comparatively low potassium concentration when compared to other grains, making it an ideal choice for people with kidney problems who must limit their potassium consumption. Furthermore, quinoa is a complete protein source, including all 9 necessary amino acids that are required for muscle repair and good health. Its high fiber content improves digestion and promotes satiety, making it an important supplement to weight management efforts, particularly for people with renal disease. Quinoa can be used to meals as a base for salads, soups, or stir-fries, providing a tasty and kidney-friendly alternative to traditional grains. Quinoa, with its excellent nutritional profile and culinary diversity, merits a place on the list of foods that promote kidney health and general well-being. Here are 8 overlooked foods that are great for kidney health and they're good for everyone's diet. We're intrigued about your experiences. Have you included any kidney-friendly items in your meals? Please share your tales, advice, and recipes in the comments area. Let's share our expertise and help one another's kidney health. If you found this helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for spending time with us. See you in the future video.